Alright. Do I have this where it is? Alright, max. Alright, well that should be enough. Alright, let's wait for it to boil. Alright. Put that in there. Alright. What else would make it flavorful? Ah, yes. This whole thing from the adrenaline that mustard had. What else? No. Alright. Some crackers must do the trick. There we go. Now just wait. Alright, we need to stir. Alright, stir. Alright. This looks delicious already. Totally just mix all of it in. Alright, that should be enough. Alright, let's try it out. Oh, that was delicious actually. Yum yum. Alright, let's put this in a bowl. Goes Yoshi, your snack is ready. Thanks for... What the heck is this crap? I guess I'll try it. Oh! What is this crap? I don't want to do some crap like this.
Hey, snack.
I want Cheetos. And if you don't give me the Cheetos, I'll take the Cheetos. Where are the Cheetos? I hid them. Fool, I'm gonna find them. You hid them. Nice hiding place, fool. I'm taking all these.